Another question that we get from time to time is, can a private investigator get access to cell phone records, current, past, even records going back quite a substantial ways? And in the past, it was possible to get these such records, but now it's pretty much been barred and outlawed, and so it is unlawful and illegal to get a hold of someone's cell phone records. But in light of that, there's some other things that can be done. So when we're trying to look at activity and history as it relates to who someone may be in contact with, what are some other things that we've been doing recently to kind of develop that information?
Well, sometimes the clients that we're dealing with have access to the phone company records, and if they can get that, they can't get actual copies of the texts being sent back and forth. They get all phone numbers, either being placed to or out or placed or coming in to that phone number, and then we can trace those phone numbers through various databases that we have and give them names as to who they belong to.
That's a great point. And if that's not possible because you don't have access to those cell phone records, conducting physical surveillance is another option. Also taking a look at social media and looking at other available databases. And another interesting tool that we now have access to and have for a little while is a vehicle sightings report. So if you believe that your subject or spouse or someone, your business partner, is in contact with someone, taking a look at where their vehicle may have been sighted and viewed may give you an indication of people they may be associating with or businesses they may be visiting. It's another tool within our toolbox that we can use to kind of get a sense because the cell phone records themselves are not available. Thanks so much for tuning in to this Ask a Private Investigator show. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks.